Welcome, this is Mr. X, and in this video I'm going to show you how you guys can make $2.57 over and over again and make up to $1,000. So I'm going to show you that strategy. This strategy is completely for beginners and this is completely for free. So before we're going to start this video, make sure to subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So our first step is we guys just simply came to this website. It's called CPA Grip. So a lot of you know about this website. Like, this is one of the biggest platform in CPA marketing industry. You guys can see like a lot of people came and doing CPA marketing and making like thousands of dollars per month with CPA Grip. So what you guys can do is simply log in your account if you have the account. If you guys don't have an account, just simply click register, add your email, password, and create your account. So I have my account. Give me a second. I'm just simply logging in my account. So right now you guys can see I am logging in my CPA Grip account. So once you guys log in first time in your CPA Grip account, you guys can see exactly same this page. Okay, so what we're gonna do is you guys just simply click offers and tools, click this, and you guys can see my offer. Simply click on my offers. So once you click on my offers, you guys can see this page. So first is you guys can see this bar, country, category, show stats, or search. So you guys can also select a different country, or you guys can also select all countries. So you guys can also filter it out from here, but we're gonna not filter right now. We're gonna promote our offer in United States because I'm gonna show you a traffic method which is really working right now. So you guys can see payout. So I'm gonna click on first and I'm gonna click 2 times, and you guys can see the highest payout is right now available in CPA Grip for United States is like $2.57, right? So this is like get $1,000 PayPal gift card to spend. So this is a $1,000 PayPal gift card right now, you guys can see, and this only works in United States. And this is the landing page, you guys can see. And if anybody adds their email address, like if anybody adds their email address, we will make like $2.57, and you guys literally make a lot of money. Why? Because I'm gonna show you a traffic method that works right now really well, and you guys can also make a lot of like payouts, or you call it commissions, like $2.57 like in just every single minute. So I'm gonna show you a strategy. So we're gonna promote this one, and you guys can also select a different domain if you want. So this is the new one. So we just simply click a new one and simply copy that and close that tab. So what you guys can do next, our next step is we go to this website is called tinyurl. So a lot of you know about. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna short our CPA affiliate link with this website. So simply add and simply make a tiny URL. So this is our short URL. We just simply copy this, and make sure you guys must save this URL in your notepad. So once you add your affiliate link in your notepad, then our next step is we're gonna promote this link. So I'm gonna show you a website, but before I'm gonna show you a few statistics of that website. If you scroll down, so this website is globally ranked number 5, and that website is getting like more than 6.5 billion visits every single one. So this is a platform like billions of people using worldwide. Scroll down in the last 3 months, you guys can see this website gets like 6.8 billion visits, 7 billion visits, 6.5 billion visits. And if you scroll down, so these are the top countries like United States, Japan, United Kingdom, Brazil, Canada, others. So I'm not gonna waste the time to show you the statistics. So a lot of you know about that website. So I'm gonna directly go to that website, and this website is called twitter.com. So a lot of you have Twitter account, right? And a lot of you guys are using Twitter. So how are we gonna promote our CPA offer with twitter.com? So make sure you guys log in your Twitter account and open a new tab and go to Google and type TweetDeck. Once you type TweetDeck, so this is the tool of Twitter, like tweetdeck.twitter.com, and you guys just simply open the first link, this one, TweetDeck, and you guys can see this page. If your Twitter account is logged in, this TweetDeck will automatically connect with your Twitter account. So right now you guys can see my account is connected with TweetDeck, and what we're gonna do here, I show you a strategy before in the last videos like with affiliate marketing, but today I'm gonna show you same strategy with CPA marketing. Okay, so what we're gonna do is you guys can see this icon. We're gonna simply click search, and you guys can see this will pops up. So what we're gonna type here, you guys just simply type I want money and simply click enter. And make sure these quotations, you guys can see these two quotations is really important. These are very important quotations. Make sure you guys must add these quotations, and in these quotations you guys just simply type I want money. So once you type this, you guys can see like there is a lot of people are like I want money, like everybody is typing like I want money. All the people will pops up and all the tweet will pops up who literally desperately want to make money, you guys can see here. And these are very hot leads, and these people are desperately wants to make money without doing anything. You guys can see like I want money, like everybody is like literally tweet like I want money. So what we're gonna do is, you guys just, for example, this girl is like say I want money like literally 27 minutes ago. Simply click this and you guys just simply reply them. How we're gonna create a reply is very important. Okay, so I have available, so I'm just simply copy this, copy whole, and I'm gonna paste it here. So you guys do so make sure you guys do not use this reply. Make sure create your own reply. Okay, so I just simply say I saw your tweet that you want to make money without doing anything, right? So I got a free PayPal gift card worth of $1,000. If you want, then I'm gonna give you a link of that gift card, but it works only for only one time for a person. So try it for yourself if you want, and here is the link. So we will provide them our CPA grip affiliate link. If they click this and add their email, we will easily make more than $2.55. And the main thing is, you guys do not use the same reply, because if a lot of people are using the same reply, people think this reply, if anybody reply same like this, people think this is a scammer. Okay, so make sure you guys must create your own reply. So once you click this, so like right now it says like minus 13 words. So give me a second, I'm gonna see which words I'm gonna minus from here. So I'm gonna delete this. Like here is the link, I'm gonna delete this and 2 spaces, and now we go with like link, and there is our affiliate link, and you guys just simply reply the comment, simply click to it, and it's done. You guys can see here, and you guys just simply reply a lot of people's. And I forget to show you one more thing that is very important, sorry for that. You guys just simply click this filter, and you guys can see the locations, because our offer only works in United States. So this is the tab which allow you to target specific people from United States, you guys can see here. But this tab does not allow you to target whole United States. This tab does not allow you to target the whole country or whole state. So this only allows you to select a specific city. So we're gonna select a specific city, for example New York. You guys can, because this is in United States, in New York, and right now you guys can see like these people will pops up who is like, wait a minute. So now these are all those people who is literally tweet from United States in New York, and these are very hot leads. Literally these people are literally I want money, not fun. So literally these people literally want to make money, and you guys just simply reply them with your CPA grip affiliate link. These people literally like 10 to 20% people easily fill that form, and you will easily make more than $2.5 in every single lead. And you guys literally getting a lot of leads. And the main thing is, you guys allow to post, reply them like 50 to 60 comments in a single time, and you guys just simply reply them 60 people and wait for 3 hours. After 3 hours, you guys just simply reply again 50 to 60 people, and again wait
it for 33 hours, and you guys can do the same strategy again and again in a whole day. Okay,
so with this method you will start make money online, but the main thing is you guys must reply as much people as possible and create different Twitter accounts and also reply from these different Twitter accounts. Okay, in this way you will start generating more sales, and if you want to make up to $24,000 plus per month, then make sure you guys watch this video.